And good morning, afternoon, or evening, depending where you are right now in the world. Welcome back to Thumper's Lockpicking. I have a couple of locks. I'm going to try doing one at a time. I have a master, small little master. Don't know what the model number is on there. It's a 40 millimeter shackle. That's all I got. So let's get to it. I want to see if I can pick at least two of them on camera, and we'll move on. So I'm going to be using top of the keyway, and I believe this is from Jason Carlson's uh, set that he made me. All right, didn't like the way that started. Start from the beginning. Click out of one. Something keeps on getting hanging up. All right. Click out of one. Click out of two. There's three. Another click. And click out of four. Back to beginning. Number one pin is really next to the tension rest. Number one is good. Take out a two. Nothing on three. And I don't think that was a click. It always scares me with my picks. Nothing on four. Back to beginning. One. Two. Three. Four. Beginning. Nothing on one. Click out of two. Click out of three. Nothing on four. Don't like it. Starting over. Click out of one. Two clicks out of two. Nothing on three. Click out of four. I think there's only four pins in this one. Back to beginning. Click out of one. Okay, small click out of two. Small click out of three. Nothing out of four. One. Two. Click out of three. believe that was a click out of 4. Nothing on 1. Nothing on 2. Nothing on 3. And nothing on 4. Overset something. Tensioning with this lock is everything. It really is. So we'll try it again. Click out of 1. Click out of 2. Click out of 3, and we had some movement on that. Go 4. Click out of 4. Back to 1. Go to 1. That was 2. Nothing on 3. And 4. I believe I overset something again. The lock is very, very tension orientated. Again. Click out of 1. G clicks out of 2. Click out of 3 or just a little movement. Trying 3 again. Nothing on 3. And there we go. That's 1. I am now going to try a Vinco and see if I can get this in a short time. If not, I'm going to cut it. One's better than nothing, right? I'm going to be using top of the keyway. Using the same pick, see if I could get it with this. Now, then again, I will go with the bottom of the keyway. Alright. Click out of 1. Nothing on 2. 3. Click out of 4. Okay, a little bit of movement. I'm using up all the space with this tension wrench. I should have probably tensioned it from the top, but there's not much room there. So let me just continue. Click out of 1. Click out of 2. Click out of 3. Out of 4. Not sure. I don't have a key with this thing. I'm not sure how many pins in there. Back to beginning. As you click out of 1. Just want to make sure. Okay. Nothing on 2. 3. Click out of 4. Okay, I'm going to start in the back this time. One. Got to click at a four, nothing on 5. Nothing on 3, 2, 1. Changing the pick. Let's see what we can do here. Oh, that's not a very good choice, though. Let's see. Click at a 1. Click at a 2. Click at a 3. Very, very tight. Oh, I hate when that sound comes. I'm so heavy-handed on my picks and breaking too many. Got a good falset going. I'm going to change one more time here. There's a good click on 1. Click on 2. Nothing on 3. Nothing on 4. Back to beginning. Click at a 1. Good falset going. 2. 3. Okay, move it a little bit more. Great falset going. Just want to get it in a matter of time. I'm not going to keep going if it's taking me forever. All right, that was a good click on 1. 2, 3. On 4. Nothing on 5. I'm going to lighten up on my tension. Come on, baby. That was 1, 2. Back. Got a good falset going. I don't know what's holding me up. Nice click at a 1. Come on. Come on, timer's going. And there we go. That's your 2 locks there, and I'm very happy. That is your Vinco and your master lock. Thank you very much for watching. Please, let's not set a bad example for our sport. Don't put your picks in anyone else's locks unless you have explicit permission. I don't know about you guys. I'm having trouble with my stock locks. It seems like I can feel in the challenge locks, I feel the spools, I feel the serrations. I'm just having trouble with stock locks. Is anybody else having that problem? Anyway, that's all I have for you today. Thank you very much for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe button. I appreciate it. All right, I'm done.